Kanin tikaten ashkan akbal. Where are we now?
We are in Chipilo. It's a very beautiful place.
Kanin tikitan ninaltepetl akbal. How do you see it?
Well, I see it beautiful. It looks very beautiful.
Aquí ninon tlacatl.
That's my grandpa.
¿Qué más? La
My
socamática
grandpa
akbal.
Jose Luis.
La socamática akbal. Akbal tikaten nika nipan tlashiko Chipilo Altepetl. That we are in this downtown, the centro of Chipilo Altepetl. Akbal tlanemaca nompa. What do they sell there?
They sell like, well, they inform you about like a place that you can go. There is like Ompa 20 minutes,
¿Qué más?
and you have to like pay there, and they give you tickets so that you can have special privileges over Ompa.
Oh, tlazocamati mía que no pil. No pil. Tlenki tosneki non tlacuiloli. What does it mean that drawing akbal? Moita que metlen. Looks like what?
Eu now sé.
It's like a chichi, no akbal?
Yes, it's a chichi. Un chichi.
Thank you. Ashkan akbal tikatenika nihtik el museum te Chipilo Altepetl. Amo nigmatillaton Chipilo Huitzitesh se tlachtoli Chipilotl. That we are here at the museum akbal, and I didn't know that the name came from a word in Nahuatl. Look.
I also didn't know about that. I hope like that this place has more Nahuatl rooms. And I hope that I can learn to talk like this more fluidly, the Nahuatl,
¿Qué más?
and to, well, find out more about this.
Akbal tlen tikita tlen tlamanti tikita nika nipan ihtik nin museo. What do you see in this museum?
Well,
What they
first
have?
I see like some drawings.
¿Qué más?
Then I can see like tools that have already been used. Then I can see more tools that are beautiful and they also look developed. I can see these things so you can make films that look kind of old. I can see the oil lamps, 2 toys, I think.
Koshti cualtis tikita con nochitlamantli y techtepos akbal. Sí. Wow. What is this
Those
akbal?
look so beautiful. I think they are like pieces of Nahuatl figurines
¿Qué más?
because they look like
All.
exactly all. Look, it's curved.
Más chiquita y non tlacuiloli. Compa. What animal is that?
It's a cow because I think that in Chipilo they have a lot of cows
¿Qué más?
because they need to make a lot of cheese
¿Qué más?
for their pizzas.
Canin nemi the cows akbal. Where do they live akbal?
Well, from what I heard, they live in a ranch that is like Ompa.
¿Qué más? ¿Qué más?
Very
In Onoctli. Over there.
I heard that they have 500 cows.
Chihuahua. Mantine nemikan akbal. Let's go. Let's walk.
¿Qué manotazzi?
Uy, moita cuacual, sí. Fíjate ni pan Chipilo Altepetl. Pan chiquita ni Noctli akbal. Melahki. Look at this road. Intepamitl akbal.
It's beautiful.
It's a wall
The
is
wall looks made like of there. That's
made of adobe
unexpected.
akbal. ¿Qué más?
Look at what a beautiful door. This thing looks like if it never ends. It seems infinite.
Mantine nemikan. Inon kali akbal. Moita young quick. Looks new.
¿Qué manotazzi?
Akbal, if you live in Chipilo, in Tlati Chanti Nika ni Panchipilo Altepetl, what do you do? Tlentik Chihuahua.
I think I would like get a house that has like a lot of space,
Ajá,
and I would like milk cows
ajá.
to make a lot of cheese, and I would sell that cheese. And I would live making cheese.
Titequitisquia. You would work at the Ipanixtlahuatl, at the field, no, Akbal?
Yes, it would be cool.